This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 C12 Nissan Pulsar ST hatch, stock reference number 4021. This shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an MRA8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MRA8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. Left hand guard has one small dent. Left power door mirror, manual fold type. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the rear wiper arm. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 3 small dents. Right front door also 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, standard heater controls, factory single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.